yeah. You probably got a few quotes by now, numbers all over the place somehow. One feels high, one feels low, one looks right, but you don't really know. You're not wrong for asking why. This isn't cheap, it's a real buy, and you just wanna feel okay with the choice you're gonna make someday, yeah. So slow it down, take a breath, let me walk you through the rest. Let me show you why it costs what it does, not just give you a number and rush. There's a reason behind every line, every dollar, every inch, every time. It's not just paving a space, it's what's holding it in place. So when it's done, you don't have to guess if you made the right investment, yeah. Sometimes the driveway's still okay, just faded out from years of days. And I'll tell you straight, no need to replace. We can seal it up and save you the pay. But if the ground is breaking down, the water's sitting all around, that's where the real work comes in play. That's what makes it last, not just lay. I'm not here to sell you more, just help you understand the score. Let me show you why it costs what it does, not just give you a number and rush. There's a reason behind every part, from the first look to the final start. It's the prep, it's the base, it's how everything's placed, so you don't end up fixing regret a year later, or sooner than that. I walk every job the same way. I look at where the water goes, I look at what's holding, what's not. I listen to what you actually want, because it's your property, your money, your decision. I'm just here to make sure you understand it. Not the cheapest, not the fastest, just the one that's gonna last it. Let me show you why it's done this way, so you feel good at the end of the day. Not just when it's brand new and black, but years from now when it still holds back. Yeah, you'll know what you paid wasn't just thrown on the ground, it was built for your place the right way, all the way down.